Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a sprint in Jira. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you. This is a fairly simple method and it's very easy to do, so I have no doubts you will be able to follow along with me. But anyways guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is open up your Jira dashboard. If you do not know how to open up Jira or how to set up Jira, then look at our other video where we explain how to get started using Jira. But guys, yeah, anyways, after opening Jira, and this is the main page you are greeted by, you'll want to go into your projects and create a new project if you haven't already, or go into your projects where you want to create a sprint. If you do not know how to create a project, also look at our other video where we explain that. But anyways guys, let's enter our Scrum project where we want to create our sprint. Anyways guys, after doing that, you'll be greeted by this main page here, which is the page of our project, and we want to go look here at the left side of the screen, and we want to find the option which is called backlog. So you want to click on this option, which is like some books piled one on another, and click on this option called backlog. After clicking this, you can see here guys, now I'm greeted by this page here, and if you look at the right side of the screen, you'll be able to see a button which is called create sprint. So go ahead and click the button called create sprint. You can see here guys, now this is open up this page where we will be able to either name our sprint, set our goal. Let's say the goal is to create a YouTube tutorial. After doing that, you can set duration 1 week or so. You can set the start date and it will automatically set the end date, or you can select custom. Then you can select the start date and you can select the end date by your wishing. Then, and after doing that, after finishing all the details about your sprint, you can click either create another, which will enable you to create another one after this, but we do not want to do this. So go ahead and click on the button called here create. As you can see here guys, now the sprint I have just created has been created in my Scrum project. Here you'll be able to create issues and so on and so on. You will be able to edit the sprint or delete the sprint after when you're finished, and that's it. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe and leave a like on the video. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.